Our universe. We think sometime to count the stars at night. Nobody can count the total number of stars in the sky. There are thousands and thousands of them in the great big universe. The universe. The universe is a huge and endless expansion of millions and millions of stars with all the heavenly bodies which are known as galaxies. The sun, the earth, millions of stars, and much more are contained in the universe. In the universe, our earth is a tiny part of the galaxy called Akash Ganga or Milky Way. Galaxy. A large group of stars is known as a galaxy. A galaxy also contains dust and gases. There are many galaxies in the universe. The stars. In the dark night, millions of stars twinkle in the sky. They have different sizes. During the day, the light from the sun is so bright that we are unable to see the light of other stars in the sky. But all stars look very small because they are very far away from us. The stars have their own heat and light like the sun. Do you know that the sun is a star? After the sun, the star closest to us is the Proxima Centauri. But the star that shines most brightly in the night sky is Sirius. Sirius is also known as the dog star. Constellation. A group of stars that form a pattern is known as a constellation. The Orion and the Big Dipper are two of the many constellations in the Milky Way galaxy. The sun. We see the sun every day. The sun provides us with heat and light. The sun is about 1,300,000 times bigger than the earth. It means that we can fit 1,300,000 Earths in the sun. Yet, it looks just like a ball in the sky because it is very far away from us. How does the sun produce so much light and heat? The sun is a huge ball of hot gases. These gases burn all the time and give heat and light. Our Earth receives light and heat from the sun, which makes all forms of life, plants, humans and animals, possible on Earth. The solar system. Just as all of us have a family, our sun too has one. The family of the sun is known as the solar system. Let us find out who the family members of the sun are. There are 8 planets called the family members of the sun. Our Earth is one of these planets. The moons or satellites are other members of the sun's family. Planets. The celestial bodies that revolve around the sun are called planets. They revolve around the sun in a fixed elliptical path called orbit. They are nearly round in shape. Planets have no light of their own and they receive it from the sun. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are the 8 planets in the solar system. Jupiter is the largest and Mercury is the smallest planet. Moon satellite of a planet. A celestial body that revolves around a planet is called a satellite and moon too. Like planets, satellites also have no light of their own. The Earth has one satellite called the Moon. It is interesting to note that the planet Jupiter has 67 moons. Earth's moon revolves around the Earth. It completes one revolution in 28 days. Artificial satellites. Many artificial satellites have been sent into the space by the scientists. These are quite helpful to us in many ways.